marketing, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and step behind the laptop and basically show you guys a system that I'm currently leveraging that made me $300 today, and something that you can actually implement into your lifestyle if you guys are looking for an extra income stream. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys proof, and then not only that, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys the steps necessary that you're going to need to take to actually get results within this business. So boom, we're behind the laptop just to show you guys some quick proof. And Nehemiah, please block these emails out because I don't want to show these people's personal information. But if we look here, we do have May 16th, 2019 at 10:26 a.m. If I go to today's time and date, I have May 16th, 2019, 4:12 p.m. So total that we've earned so far today from this one income stream is $298.50. We earned that today, right? Now, what is this? What is ROI panel? Guys, ROI panel is 1 out of 5 different income streams of something called Funnel X ROI. Now, basically, believe it or not, that's not even where a majority of my money comes from. That's just one of the many income streams. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and show you guys is Funnel X ROI. This is what Funnel X ROI looks like. Basically, Funnel X ROI is a system. If you guys click the button or the link down below, it's going to be the first link or the button down below if you're watching this on my email list. Basically, Funnel X ROI has 5 different affiliate offers. The first affiliate offer, right? So just to show you guys what that looks like, it's going to be a video like this. You're probably going to watch this after this video, and it's going to give you guys the opportunity to actually invest into this opportunity. But basically, Funnel X ROI, you can earn up to $2,000 commissions on the front end with the core offer after the actual first initial video that I just showed you guys. Then there's a series of upsells on the back end, right? So you can earn up to $2,000 right here. The second upsell, you guys can actually earn recurring revenue, which is extremely important when it comes to making money online. You want residual income, not residual bills. And then the second or the third upsell is ROI panel, which is basically a tracking software, which is essential to paid advertisement campaigns. You want to be able to track your numbers, so you can earn up to 50% commissions. So basically, you can earn up to a total of $1,000. So I earned a 50% commission off of a sale that was $597. So $597, that's why I was able to earn $298.50. And basically, after that, there's also Funnel X Advanced where you guys can earn up to $1,000. And then there's Advertising Boost where you guys can earn up to $1,000. Now, just to show you guys these different income streams, with one of them, I made $13,000. With one of them, it's brand new, so I haven't made any money with it yet. With this one today, I made $298. With this one, I made $411. And with this one, I made $2,415. So the total that I've made with these income streams so far, if I can go to the calculator, after today's sale, let me actually go $298.50. So total, I don't know what just happened there, but I've made a little over $18,000 with these systems, right? So all you guys have to do, guys, they're going to go ahead and give you all the systems. They're going to go ahead and give you all the tools, all the resources. That's what Funnel X does. These are like some of the resources that they're going to go ahead and give you access to once you become a member and you guys invest. It's going to give you everything you need to actually promote this system. It's going to go ahead and tell you how to actually get buyers, so how to get people. All you have to do is figure out how to get people there, and they're going to teach you how to get people to it. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to get people to this funnel right here. And once you get people to this funnel, the funnel does all the work, right? It does all the selling. I literally just woke up to my email, and then boom, Eric, you earned $300 today. That's simple. So with that being said, if you guys want to go ahead and leverage these 5 different income streams, the catch is that you guys do have to be invested into it to actually earn commissions into it. So with that being said, I'd highly recommend you leverage your income earning potential as high as possible by going all in. So simply click the button down below.